Today we are going to craft paper airplanes.
Hey! Hello, friends!
Do you know what vehicle this is?
This is Airplane. Now we are going to craft Airplane.
Hello, kids! Look over here.
Come here.
That looks fantastic. Okay, let's do this. Here we go. Yahoo! Yippee! This is so much fun. I'm so proud of you.
See you next time. Bye!
Did you see that? Amazing, looks interesting. Woohoo! Woohoo! Yeah! Yes, we are going to learn fruits. This is an apple. This is mango. This is pear. This is grape. This is watermelon. This is banana. This is an orange. This is dragon fruit. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, friends!
Here we go. Yahoo!
Look over here. Let's play. Yellow.
This is orange.
This is blue.
Red color. Green color. Red color. Awesome. Orange color. Fantastic. Green color. Oh, wow! This is blue. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hello, kids. This is an elephant. Let's play. Today we are going to playing that game again. Let's go. This is red. That is awesome. This is an orange. Magnificent. This is yellow. Perfect. This is green. Go for the next. This is blue. This is cyan. Good job. This is purple. Of course. This is pink. See you guys next with new exciting things.
Hey, what a pleasant day. Yes, let's open it up and take a look. Wow! Wow! Look at this train. Wow! There are so many animals. Whoa! Ooh! Have a look here. This is cheetah. This is bear. This is an elephant. This is giraffe. This is zebra. This is lion. This is panda. This is rhinoceros. Amazing looks interesting. who is going first? Okay, let's go! Hey, let's go! Good job! See you guys next with new exciting things.
Wow!
Look at this place. Awesome! Yummy fruits. So tasty and healthy.
Amazing looks interesting. Hello, friends.
Hello, kids!
We are going to learn fruits.
Do you think you could help today? Of course!
Let's go over there. So you are going first.
Okay, let's go! This is watermelon.
Let's do the next one.
Perfect!
This is an apple. This is pineapple. Do you know what fruit this is?
This is grape.
There are so many fruits.
This is mango.
Strawberry. This is cherry.
This is banana. So I will see you next time. Bye!
Hey, hello, kids.
Do you know what vehicle this is? This is Airplane.
Now we are going to learn alphabets.
A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, and Z. Now I know my ABC. Next time, won't you sing with me?
So I will see you next time. Bye! Wow! Ooh! look here. Animals on the scooter. Hello, friends. Yeah, let's go.